Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to review another product, another website from Campio.com. So if you are interested to know about, just watch the video till the end and you will get the information regarding this product and this website. So let's begin with our video. Campio is an online store that sells different styles of glasses, that is sunglasses especially. On their website they include everything from cat eye, round frame and bamboo glasses to driving and night vision glasses. Let's check out the specification of this store. It is an e-commerce store. Its shipping policy includes 7 to 12 days. They are delivering free to United States. Moreover, they have the exchange policy of 30 days, and they have mentioned cancellation of order in their policy in detail. They have mentioned their contact number, physical address. The mode of payment mentioned by them is credit card, debit card and PayPal. Moreover, the email address they have mentioned is matching the domain name, which is a good sign. So let's check out the advantage of this store. All the important information has been provided by the website, such as shipping, payment, return and service policy, which helps the user in case of any discrepancy. Unique and fashionable collection of products with many colors and style option available. The products are affordable because they sell them at wholesale price. The products for functionality are present as well as with descriptive and accurate picture. Moreover, they provide genuine information in an elaborate way under every section of the website. Easy to use interface and well designed website. Moreover, the negative point of this website is that there are two sides of every coin. So the website supplies product worldwide but offers to pay for product only in 5 currencies. Collection is quite small with only one category of accessory being provided. Moreover, the website states that it might not deliver the exact product as shown on the screen. They charges the customer for shipping of return parcel if they choose to return undamaged product or single product. Moreover, no real product reviews on the website for customer to judge the real quality of the product. So we have still the question in our mind, is this legit? So we will check out some other aspects so we can easily identify either this is legit or a scam store, as the website is too young with a short domain expiry date. Moreover, its trust score is just 2%, which is quite distrusting. No social media presence, no customers experience or feedback available. The website has no such option actually. Complete contact details, order tracking facility and customer support provided by the website, but it is not popular on internet, even have no Alexa rank. So as we know, customer reviews are very important for checking the legitimacy of the website. So we are unable to find the customer review regarding this website. Along with this, there is no social media presence of this company. Additionally, no popular review sites like Google or Trustpilot has shown any feedback of buyers. So in our final discussion, in our final verdict on this website is that we will suggest our viewer to wait and watch. Although it has many pros and might be genuine, it still cannot completely trust it because its young age, low trust score, non-existent social media presence and very low popularity. So we will just suggest that do your own research or just wait for a few times so you may found some genuine reviews regarding this store and you can have wise decision of your shopping of your sunglasses.